Welcome to this tutorial on how to use GoHighLevel for local businesses. Today, we will set up a simple system that includes a booking calendar and SMS follow-ups. If you want to follow along or try GoHighLevel yourself, there's a link in the description below for a free 14-day trial. This works well for salons, dental offices, gyms, or any service-based business. First, let us create the calendar. Go to your GoHighLevel dashboard and click on Calendars. Then click on New Calendar. Choose the booking type. Round Robin is useful if you have multiple staff, and simple booking is best if you're the only provider. In the Setup window, type in a clear name such as salon appointments. Add a short description like haircuts, colouring, and styling appointments. Next, select the team members who will take bookings. This means customers can choose either staff member when booking. The system also gives you a custom booking link. Ours is automatically set. You can share this link directly with customers or place it on your website. Now set the meeting duration. Since most salon services take about half an hour, we will choose 30 minutes. After that, define the booking availability. In this case, we will allow bookings from Monday to Friday between 8 a.m. and 5 p.m. This gives customers a full day of options while keeping weekends free. Once everything is entered, save the calendar. Now, clients can schedule appointments online, choosing a slot that fits within the hours you set. The next step is adding SMS follow-up messages so customers get reminders automatically. Go to Automations, create a new workflow called Appointment Follow-up, and set the trigger to appointment status. Choose Appointment is booked. Add a Send SMS action. For example, the confirmation text could say, "Hello, your appointment at business name with team member name is confirmed for appointment date and time." Reply, "Stop to unsubscribe." Next, add a wait step of 24 hours before the appointment and send a reminder. Then add another wait step for 2 hours before the appointment and send a final reminder. This keeps customers updated and reduces no-shows. After saving and activating the workflow, test by booking an appointment through your calendar link. You should see both the confirmation and reminder texts sent automatically. With this setup, our salon now has a working online booking calendar, a custom booking link, and an SMS follow-up system. This makes scheduling easy for clients and ensures they remember their appointments. If you're thinking about trying GoHighLevel, remember to check out the link in the description. It gives you a free 14-day trial so you can test everything we talked about and see if it fits your business.